Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Black Shark 5. This is just the standard model. There is a Black Shark 5 Pro, which does get you a few extras, mainly the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. This regular one is running the Snapdragon 870 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It's also available with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and the Pro goes up to 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Now 16GB of RAM on an Android phone I just think is a bit overkill, but we do have, like I said, the 8GB version here. Very nice design. I like the way the back looks with the triple camera right there. Just the camera array, I like it better than the 4 where it just went across. Looks a little bit more modern. As you can see here, we do have the LED Rgb Light, which you can configure in settings. There's a couple different ways you can do this. There is a quick toggle for it right here, so you can turn it on and off there. You can also hold it to go to the settings. There is also an app for it. So in here you can customize the lighting for different things like screen on. So just like right now when the screen's on, you can customize a color for notifications. It doesn't look like you can do this by app. It looks like it's just setting one color for new notifications when the screen is off. You can also set a screen off color, or you can turn that off. I have that set to off, so when the device is off, the light is also off, just to save battery, because it's going to use, you know, a pretty good amount of battery just staying on all the time when you're having the phone in your pocket or something like that. Kind of useless. If we hop over into the settings, this is what the settings panel looks like. Bunch of customizations and stuff in here. We have some themes, wallpapers, home screen settings, all that kind of stuff. This phone does have a pretty nice theme store. It also has some stuff pre-installed here. So we have some different themes right here. We have a bunch of different wallpapers right here that are pre-installed on the device. You can do different lock styles and stuff like that. Different icons, there's a few different ones of those also pre-installed on the device that you can change. And of course you can download more right there from the theme store. We have display settings right here, light mode, dark mode, you can schedule that. You have your brightness settings right here, automatic brightness on and off. Refresh rate, this does go up to 144 Hertz. I just keep it on 90 Hertz because I'm used to a 120 Hertz display anyway, so I kind of get to meet in the middle and save a little bit of battery right there. One cool thing about this is it does have a 120 watt charger in the box, so it does charge super quick. And in the battery assistant right here you can choose those settings. You can also see your battery health and set power saving, so you can do constant temperature charging, which will just kind of keep it at an even temperature and vary the rate on that, or you can do hypercharge, which is going to charge at the full 120 watts, and it does warn you that the phone might get kind of warm doing that, but the phone will charge in about 15 minutes, so super quick. One cool thing about this phone is if you're not using the 120 watt charger that comes in the box, say you're using a 45 watt charger or something like that, it's still going to charge very quickly. It's not like the OnePlus devices where you have to use the OnePlus charger or you just get regular charging rates. This phone will charge very quickly using any USB-C charger, so that's very nice, because it's hard to find in the US at least the 120 watt charger that comes in the box to buy it, you know, like a second one if you want to use one somewhere else. So I'm just using an Anker 45 watt charger, and it charges super quick, you know, maybe probably 45 minutes to an hour, if that. Using that charger. So you can see my icons right here. Like I said, I've only been using this for a day, so this is just an initial impressions. I got this on Amazon for $500, and I think the $500 price tag is well worth it for the performance of this device. Very nice screen. I did put a screen protector on it. It did come with a little plastic one. I took that off and put a glass one on that actually came with this case. So it's a pretty decent glass screen protector for the like $10 or $12 this case was, and it came with 2 of them. So I'm really loving this phone. I like the customization options that you get, and I haven't even gone into the gaming stuff yet. That's going to come a little bit later because I haven't done much gaming on this phone. But just to show you the hardware stuff, we do have these triggers right here. You slide this switch and the trigger pops up. Right now this one is just set to turn on the flashlight right there, and then this bottom one is set to take a screenshot. So when you flip it up, you can tap right here and you can customize what you want it to do. You can do different system actions, or you can customize it to open an app, and then when you're in a game you can do that same thing and customize it for whatever you want it to do in that specific game. So it works very well. They have the Shark Space gaming kind of app, which you can put your games in and stuff like that and customize the performance and all that kind of stuff right there in that app. But we'll get into that a little bit later. I haven't done any of that on this phone yet. I've just been using it for my daily use today, and I just wanted to go over my first impressions. And for the $500 this cost on Amazon with the coupon they had, it is well worth it. It brings me back to the old OnePlus days where you feel like you're getting a lot of value for your money, and I really think you are here with the Black Shark 5 from Xiaomi. It is a Xiaomi device. They make Black Shark, so very, very nice premium device here. I'm Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions about it, feel free to drop them down in the comments section below, and I will have more videos coming out on this phone here shortly.